Hello, my name is Richard Jones. I'm the Marketing Manager for Venue Cymru in Llandudno and for Theatre Colwyn in Colwyn Bay. Today I'm going to talk to you about my role as Marketing Manager, and I'm going to answer some questions which have come through. So to start off with, the first question is, what's the best thing about working in arts marketing? Well, there's lots of things really. One of the big things is just the diversity of the role itself. You can be working on so many different things, so many different projects. So it's that old cliche, but every day really is different. And I'm lucky because I work in such a busy environment. So we don't just work on the arts and events. We're also a conference venue as well. So there's lots of things. The other good thing about working in arts marketing, I would say, is the networking opportunities you have. I'm constantly in communication with other venues across the UK, and it's great to share the knowledge, to share experiences. It's really important, I think, to have a good network of industry counterparts so you can talk to. Second question is, what does your role entail? Well, like I said, it's a real diverse role. There's lots of different projects I'm working on at any one time. The main area, so looking at the arts marketing, is putting together marketing campaign plans for all the visiting producers. So that's like the pantomimes, the big West End shows, the ballets, the opera, and all that kind of thing. So I'm liaising with the staff, the marketing teams for the visiting producers, putting together plans. So that's looking at all the different marketing opportunities. So it could be digital, it could be press and PR, it could be radio, it could be outdoor advertising, outdoor activities, so promotional activities and that kind of thing. So anything really. Obviously it's important to include the entire marketing mix in all campaigns, so as that's no stone is left unturned. Other areas I work on quite regularly is audience development. So that's when I really drill down into the data we receive through our box office systems. That's vital when it comes out to reaching out to new audiences on campaigns to attract audiences. So we're able to get lots of intelligence from our data systems. So where people came from, what other art forms they like, and all that kind of thing, which is vital really when you're putting that into a campaign in order to obviously help to fill the venue, and also to look at crossovers to attract potential new audiences. So there might be an area where a lot of people are coming from, they have a certain amount of taste, so that means I can reach out to other demographics which are suitable to come to our venue. So the third question, how long have you worked in marketing and what has been the biggest changes during this time? Well, I've been in my current role now for, it's 15 or 16 years between the two venues, so Venue Cymru and Theatre Colwyn. I would say the biggest changes really is the explosion of digital over the last year, certainly over the last decade really. So the introduction of new social media platforms, the development of web. It's so important to keep on top of that because obviously everybody is doing that, and you've got to be seen to be getting your name out there through to the digital audience. We find we have attracted new audiences through digital. We're very active on our social media, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all the usuals, and also through our business networks. We do a lot through LinkedIn. It's important for us to kind of stay ahead and be of that. So we work really closely with the visiting producers. They'll help us to produce the content, so produce nice videos, images and that kind of thing. We can do live broadcasts, so we're able to interact with audiences who aren't necessarily in the venue. For example, as we've got the COVID pandemic going on, we're doing a lot of, as you know, this, for example, a lot of digital content, so we're able to go out to audiences while we're not able to put on shows and events. Another big change really over the years is the competition has changed. So when I first started, the competitors were mainly other theatre venues, but now since the introduction of of digital media and people having access to huge television networks like Netflix, Amazon, and those kind of things, you're now competing with all those. So it's not just live shows now; it's basically all digital entertainment, which people can get at a press of the button in the comfort of their own home. So definitely the rise of other kind of at-home leisure attractions is a big change. But it's important again that we keep ahead of the game. So we liaise with other venues, with other medias to make sure we're doing something similar and reaching out to audiences which aren't necessarily traditional theatre audiences. Next question. How can I get experience in marketing? Well, there's lots of things you can do, to be honest. Certainly keep engaged with what's out there in the media, particularly the online media. There's loads of free webinars you can do. So places like the Arts Marketing Organisation, Arts Marketing Association rather, they've got some great resources on their sites. UK Theatre Web, again, go on there. Arts Professional, there's lots of websites out there where you can read up on marketing within the industry. I think it's also important to get some experience if you can, so approach your local venues, see if you can get some work experience. Might not be paid at first, but the experience is essential when you're looking for work and when it comes down to putting things on your CV. And like we touched on before, digital is now so important. So if you can, try and do some films, do some blogging and that kind of thing. It's all about being creative in arts marketing. So just try and do something a bit creative with the digital, or if you enjoy writing, perhaps put pen to paper and have a go at writing an article for a blog or the local paper. Maybe approach your local venue to see if you can come and review a show. So all that sort of thing, really. So I think it's important to speak to people, to get to know people within the industry, and just keep up to date with industry news through all the online sources. Next question we have: would you recommend any particular area of marketing to get into? Obviously, we all have our own interests in marketing, but I think it's really important to have a good rounded base of the subject. So looking at my team, it's a very small team, as are most venues, arts marketing departments. So I think it's important to have a broad scope of the different skills. So if your role is, say, press, then it's great to have experience in online, digital, campaign management and that sort of thing. So yeah, by all means, specialise in one area, but make sure you try and keep involved in all the different areas of the department. I think that's really important. And the final question: do you get to meet the stars, and who has been your favourite? Yes, we do get to meet the performers who come to the venues. More so with my team, we get more of a close connection with the pantomime stars. Obviously, they're with us for a longer time, and we do lots more PR and marketing with them. I would say the nicest or the most memorable one, in a positive way, I've worked with is Jimmy Osmond, who was with us in Cinderella probably about 5 or 6 years ago. He's a really nice guy, and he did lots of PR and marketing for us, which was a huge help, and that was a really successful pantomime. So thank you very much for listening today. If you've got any questions, please send them through to info@venuecymru.co.uk, and I'll be more than happy to answer them or to help you out. In the meantime, stay safe, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye.